Hi, today I want to share with you the first Next Earth Metaverse game that has just been released and also how you can get a chance to win 200k worth of Next Earth token. I'm also going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can get involved with it in the game, and there's also a little bonus. If you do play, you can have a chance to win a hidden NFT. There's 5 in total. So let's just get started and get the video going. So I just want to quickly go over how it works and how the game works. They talk about how they need to clean up the ocean, so they've partnered with sea turtles. How purchasing land will actually benefit not only you but the real life, and also you'll get a chance to win Next Earth token. So you join the campaign by purchasing any tiles on the Pacific areas that I'm going to share with you in a moment. So they remove trash from the area that you purchase on the actual Next Earth. They will actually go there and remove the rubbish. 20% of each transaction will actually get donated directly to Clean Ocean. And they talk about the rewards and how it works. Win about 200k worth of Next Earth token by purchasing tiles on the campaign and locations and removing trash from them in the treasure hunt mode. So the prize pool is distributed as below, as you can see right here, and you can also get a chance to win the Next Earth NFT reward, which is 5 unique NFTs. So you can participate and get involved in this by removing the garbage from the purchased lands that you actually purchase. We will send you the Next Earth reward tokens into your wallet. I'm guessing this will be straight away, or maybe a few minutes it might take. Within a few minutes, as I mentioned right here. This is the areas that you can purchase land on, as you can see right here. This is the only areas that you can purchase land on, and they will actually, like I mentioned, physically remove rubbish from that land in that ocean. So make sure you don't purchase anywhere else if you want to get involved in this campaign and in this game. So make sure you do purchase on these areas right here. Like I mentioned, I will leave a link in the description for this exact link. You can see the top 10 people that have purchased tiles, and donations were received. Like I mentioned, 20% of each transaction will be donated directly to Sea Turtle. So now I'm going to share with you step by step how you can get involved in this game. So one tip I've mentioned is make sure you only buy land in this little blue area right here where you see highlighted. You can only get involved in this game if you buy land in these areas. If you purchase out of these areas, you are not going to get any Next Earth tokens or rewards at all, or a chance to win the NFTs. If you haven't signed up to Next Earth yet, I will leave a link in the description. It will also include my 5% off code when you do purchase land. So how are you going to do this? You pick an area that you wish to purchase from. So let's pick this one right here. Now once it loads up, it will share with you the land where you need to purchase, and I'll show you in a moment. So right here, as you can see, if you purchase anywhere outside of here, out of this area right here, you can't actually get involved in the game. Now what you do next is you can zoom in and pick the location that you wish to purchase. So maybe I'll pick these ones right here. So I'll get about 50, 56. And now what you do next is you'll see the price right here. It shows you in USDT. You will need to have a MetaMask wallet with Matic in it on the Matic network. I have made a video how to buy land in Next Earth step by step and how to do all this process. I will leave a link in the description for that video as well. So what you need to do next is once you have this, pick the land that you wish to purchase. You want to click buy now, and then you just want to click accept. Make sure you understand the terms of service. You can refresh the price. You click buy now. Your transaction will be processed. Like I mentioned, you use MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is already connected, and now I just need to confirm the transaction in my wallet. Once the transaction has been finished, I should have land that I can click on to clean up. So it will let me know when the land has been purchased and processed. So as you can see here, you can now hunt for treasure on your land, remove the trash to see if there are hidden prizes under the purchased tiles, clean the tiles on the map so we can clean the territories in real life. So press hunt now. So now it will load up and it will tell me where to clean up. So clean up that and clean up that. No luck, better luck next time. So that's just how it all works. So you can click buy more land and go again if you wish. But just to mention, it is going towards a good cause, plus you get land, and it's also benefits you long term. So let's try again. We'll give it another try. We'll buy this amount. Click on buy now. Click I read terms of service. Click again, buy, and then confirm the transaction again. Wait for the transaction to process. So now once again, I click on hunt. It should reload the map and show me areas that I can hunt. So right here, like I mentioned, I'll just zoom in so you can see. You click on them. Click on this one. I had no luck this time, but try again. So that's how you can play the game. And that's how simple the game is. So I just want to share proof with you that this giveaway is real on NextEarth. I just want to show you that I've just won 20,000 NextEarth tokens as proof that you can actually win money in this giveaway. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. If you do like the video, please hit the like button. If you do have any questions, let me know in the description below. I will be making more updated videos on NextEarth very soon. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.